In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Logitech G435 with USB. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before I begin, I want to make it very clear that the Logitech G435 is a wireless-only headset. So even though they include a USB cable in the box, this cable can only be used for charging the headphones or the headset. You will not be able to use it through a wired connection, but you can still connect it over USB by using the provided USB wireless receiver. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. You can only use this headset wirelessly either through Bluetooth or through a USB connection with the Lightspeed dongle. So to start, unbox it, get the Lightspeed dongle and plug it into any available USB port on your platform. So this can be a PC, a Mac, or a PlayStation console. Once you insert the receiver, all that you have to do is power on the headset by pressing and holding the power button for usually 2 seconds. Once this is done, you will see the LED on the actual headset turn a stable cyan color, indicating that it is now paired up with the receiver. What this means is that you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on that device with the receiver through the G435. The microphone is also going to work right away. You can use the mute button, you can power off the headset once you are done using it, and as long as it has sufficient battery, it is going to remain connected indefinitely. Once it is low on battery, you simply have to plug it in with the provided USB-A to USB-C cable to charge it. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you will not be able to use the charging cable to use it in a wired manner. And because 3.5mm connections also do not work, it is impossible to use this wired. You can only use it through Bluetooth like I mentioned, or if you want a USB connection, you have to use the Lightspeed adapter that they include. Just plug it into any available port and power on the headset for it to automatically pair itself up to the dongle. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Logitech G435 with USB. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.